planning a trip to Sri Lanka and wondering what's the best time to visit? The cool part? There's always a perfect season somewhere on the island. From December to April, head southwest. Colombo, Galle, Mirissa, sunshine, beaches and blue skies. From May to September, the east coast is calling. Arugambe, Trincomalee, Pasikuda, it's an entirely different vibe. Or perhaps you want the mountains and cool climate. The Central Highlands are cool, lush and green almost all year round. So pack smart, follow the sun and experience the best time in Sri Lanka no matter when you land.